Hi everyone, in the next 2 minutes I'm going to be showing you how to remove the cutscenes in Final Fantasy X. Now if you're getting bored and fed up and tired of dying at certain bosses, or you just want a quick playthrough of the game, but you know the scenes, you know the story, here's how we're going to do it. So let's go. Step 1, let's load Google up. So Google, all we're going to type in is Final Fantasy X or FF10 cutscene remover. Pretty straightforward, cutscene remover, and it is the very top one and it is on the GitHub. Okay, once we get on the GitHub, all you need to do is run down and you'll see download the latest release from the releases pages here. As soon as we click that, you'll see it, Final Fantasy X cutscene remover. Let's download that very quickly, and that shouldn't take long at all. Once that is fully downloaded, we're going to open our downloads, and I have it here all prepared and ready, and we're going to click this. We're going to double click to open it. Windows protects your PC, of course it's going to say that, so we click on the more info and we'll run down to run anyway. And that will say enable CSR. We're going to click Y and enter, and enable True RNG. It's going to be Y and enter again. Waiting to connect the game. Please launch the game if you haven't yet. So all you need to do is click on the game that you have got and purchased in Steam. Click play. Click Final Fantasy X. So the program is running in the background now, and in a moment you will see what it's going to do. So it's already started doing stuff in the background of the program. All we are going to do is now we're going to click New Game. Click whichever sphere grid you want. New game version information. Cutscene remover RNG fix mod enabled. Start game, yes. And it has already executed the cut. This will work on every cutscene in the game, especially before the Unalesca fight and any fight with Seymour. And that's pretty much how to do it. It is really easy and straightforward, guys. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel and it lets me know you want more content like this. Thank you for the support.